Welcome and Kusasangpu to another Photoshop trick. In this video, we will look at how to change eyeball colors easily. To begin, let's take this photo of a girl. To make the selection better, let's zoom in. Now select the lasso tool and draw a circle around the eyeball. Repeat the same for other eyeball as well, but make sure to hold Alt to make multiple selection. After that, click on this icon and select solid color. Choose any color as per your wish and click on OK. Now change the blending mode to overlay and you can instantly see the change. After this, hold Ctrl and click on the black mask. Again click on the circular icon and select brightness and contrast. Adjust the panel and play around with the brightness and contrast until it looks realistic. Now go back to layers and select the selection mask and click on color. As you drag the color level, the magic can be seen in the photo. Select the desired color and click OK. That's all for this tutorial and leave a like. Do subscribe if you haven't done so far. Thank you and see you in the next tutorial.